We all have aspirations, a version of ourselves that we long to become. Yet, despite our best efforts, we often find ourselves trapped in repetitive cycles, wondering why nothing changes. You wake up, follow the same routine, see the same results, and frustration sets in. But what if the key to radical transformation wasn't some dramatic overhaul, but rather a series of small, deliberate actions? Welcome to the Stoic Citadel. Today we will delve into a significant Stoic secret to become unrecognizable, that will ultimately change your life in 1 week. The most significant personal growth doesn't come from massive, overnight shifts, but from consistent, intentional choices. Stoicism teaches that lasting change is rooted in disciplined systems, not fleeting bursts of motivation. This week, you'll embark on a journey to redefine your habits, mindset, and actions, transforming yourself into a stronger, more resilient version of who you are today. 1. Master your life with systems, not motivation. How often have you relied on motivation, only to find it slipping away by midday? You wake up energized, ready to take on the world, but as the hours pass, enthusiasm fades, leaving you feeling unproductive and stuck. The problem? Motivation is unreliable. It fluctuates with emotions, circumstances, and energy levels. True transformation isn't fueled by motivation, but by systems, structured habits and routines that keep you moving forward, regardless of how you feel. Systems create consistency. They provide structure, eliminate decision fatigue, and make progress inevitable. The Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, understood this well. They built disciplined routines that aligned with their values, ensuring their actions remained steadfast despite challenges. Marcus Aurelius famously wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." This insight highlights the importance of maintaining systems that cultivate positive habits and disciplined thinking. To implement this, start small. Establish a morning routine that prioritizes your most important tasks. Schedule focused work sessions free from distractions. Integrate daily physical activity and mindfulness practices. Over time, these structured actions will compound, leading to lasting change. 2. Reprogram your mind with resilience and courage. Challenges are inevitable. You'll face setbacks, obstacles, and difficult situations. But growth isn't determined by what happens to you. It's defined by how you respond. Stoicism teaches that adversity isn't a curse, but an opportunity. Your mindset shapes your reality. Instead of fearing difficulties, embrace them as training grounds for resilience. When life presents hardships, you have 2 choices: succumb to fear and frustration, or use the challenge to strengthen your character. Seneca emphasized this principle, writing, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." Wasting time dwelling on obstacles rather than learning from them weakens your potential. Instead, when faced with difficulties, ask, "What lesson can I take from this? How can this moment make me stronger?" By shifting your perspective, you train yourself to see challenges as opportunities for growth. 3. Build an iron will through physical discipline. A strong mind requires a strong body. Physical resilience fosters mental endurance. When you push your physical limits, through exercise, endurance, or discomfort, you cultivate discipline, focus, and inner strength. The Stoics understood this deeply. Seneca practiced voluntary hardship, exposing himself to discomfort to build resilience. He walked long distances, fasted, and embraced discomfort, proving to himself that he could endure life's challenges without complaint. Your body and mind are interconnected. When you neglect physical discipline, mental fortitude weakens. Conversely, when you commit to physical growth, whether through daily movement, strength training, or endurance-building activities, you reinforce your ability to tackle life's challenges head-on. Start by making movement a non-negotiable part of your day. Whether it's a morning run, weightlifting, or even a brisk walk, the act of pushing yourself physically translates into greater willpower in other areas of life. 4. Eliminate distractions and toxic influences. Modern life is filled with distractions, constant notifications, endless social media, and external pressures pulling you in every direction. If left unchecked, these distractions drain your focus, sap your energy, and derail your progress. To reclaim control, you must ruthlessly eliminate what doesn't serve you. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The things you think about determine the quality of your mind. Your environment shapes your thoughts, and your thoughts dictate your actions." If your mind is cluttered with distractions, achieving transformation becomes impossible. Begin by identifying the biggest drains on your time and energy. Is it social media? Negative people? Mindless entertainment? Once you pinpoint the culprits, take action. Set boundaries, remove unnecessary commitments, and cultivate an environment that fosters productivity and growth. Think of your mind as a garden. If you allow weeds, distractions, and negativity to grow unchecked, they'll suffocate the plants, your goals and aspirations. But if you remove the weeds, you create space for the right things to flourish. Prioritize what matters, and let go of what doesn't. Visualization isn't just a tool for motivation. It's a blueprint for transformation. When you consistently see yourself as the person you aspire to be, your subconscious mind starts to bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to go. Your thoughts dictate your reality, and by reinforcing the image of your highest self, you naturally align your actions to manifest that vision. The key is repetition and emotional connection. Don't just visualize your future self once and forget about it. Make it a daily practice. Every morning, before the chaos of the day sets in, close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself embodying your goals. Feel the confidence, the discipline, the success coursing through you. The more emotion you attach to this practice, the more powerful it becomes. However, visualization alone isn't enough. It must be followed by intentional action. The Stoics emphasized that true change comes from consistent effort and discipline. If you see yourself as someone who is physically strong and healthy, your daily actions should reflect that, choosing nourishing foods, exercising, and prioritizing rest. If your vision includes being financially independent, your habits must align, budgeting, investing, and making wise financial decisions. To reinforce this process, combine visualization with daily affirmations. These are not mere words, but declarations of your new identity. Speak them with conviction. I am resilient and adaptable. I have the discipline to follow through on my commitments. I am focused and productive in everything I do. I attract success by taking deliberate action. By repeating these affirmations consistently, you reshape your self-perception. Over time, they become ingrained in your identity, fueling your drive to take the necessary steps toward your ideal self. Another powerful tool is keeping a future self journal. Each day, write a brief entry describing your future self in present tense. For example, I am a disciplined, confident individual who wakes up early, tackles challenges head-on, and remains calm under pressure. By writing this regularly, you reinforce your transformation and track your progress. Remember, your future self is not some distant fantasy. It is the direct result of the choices you make today. Every action you take either moves you closer to or further away from the person you aspire to become. The Stoics believed that self-mastery was the ultimate path to fulfillment, and through visualization, affirmations, and intentional action, you gain control over your destiny. So take a moment right now. Close your eyes. Picture the strongest, most disciplined version of yourself. If you like this piece of content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down your thoughts in the comment section below telling us where you are watching from. Now, commit to making one small change today that aligns with that vision. Because transformation isn't about massive leaps, it's about consistent, intentional steps. The future you desire is waiting. All you have to do is step into it. In conclusion, the path to an unrecognizable you. In just 1 week, by embracing Stoic principles, you can become a version of yourself that you never thought possible. You'll cultivate discipline, emotional resilience, and an unshakable mindset that allows you to face any challenge with strength and clarity. But remember, Stoicism isn't just a quick fix. It's a lifelong practice. The key is consistency. Every day, commit to controlling what you can, accepting what you cannot, and responding with wisdom. Transformation isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about taking action now. Start today, and in 1 week, you won't just feel different. You'll be unrecognizable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification button so as to keep getting fresh updates from our channel. Your journey begins here. Are you ready? But until then, see you in the next one.